Welcome to a new video here at the workshop. My name is Malik. Today there will be a video tutorial for Windows 11 users who do not yet know how to change their Microsoft account password. If you have forgotten your account password, how to change your account avatar, how to change your Microsoft account name. So, click the button, Start. Then, Settings. And here click, Accounts. Now open the tab, Email and Accounts. Click, here. And click, Manage. The default browser launches and we see our Microsoft profile page. But sometimes you can't immediately log into your profile and the login window opens. Here you need to enter the account password. I write my password. Click, Sign in. But I forgot my password. If you have forgotten your password, click, here. And the system will offer you a way to verify your identity in order to create a new password. Maybe it's the phone number you provided when signing up for your Microsoft account, or it was your email address, or something else. When registering an account, I indicated my phone number, its last two digits are 53, I click here. And now I need to enter the last four digits of my phone number to receive the code in an SMS message. This method may be different for you. Get code. Yes, my identity has been verified. I received the code and now I'm entering it here. Next. The password recovery was successful and now in this window you need to enter a new password and after that you can sign into your Microsoft profile. I don't need to get a new password because I haven't forgotten my password and I just sign into my Microsoft account page. Here we can find many options to manage your account, but today I will show you the simplest one. And so, to change your account name, click here. First, let's add a photo to this empty space. I click, Add a photo. For this purpose I prepared a photo in advance. Here it is. Open. Save. Good. Okay. Here is my name. And here you need to click to change this name to something else. In this window, you need to enter the first name, then the second name, and you also need to enter the confirmation code. But I do not need to change my name and I'll leave it unchanged. Now, how to change your password. For the security of your account information, you must enter your PIN before changing your password. If you forget your PIN, click, I forgot my PIN, and then follow the system prompts. Now there will be a familiar identity verification procedure. We already know what we need to do. Okay. In this window, we can change our current password to a new one. First you need to write the old password, but if you forget your password, click, Forgot your password, and follow the system recommendations. I enter the current password. Then the new password. Again the new password. Save. And now I have a new password. I hope that everything went well for you too and without problems. If you found this helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.